Welcome to Next Gen Mansions, where dreams meet the ocean and the art of luxury living is redefined. Today, we explore two worlds unlike anything you've ever seen before. One where the elegance of a tropical island merges with the untamed beauty of marine life, and another where a private cruise ship becomes a floating palace of wonder. This is not just architecture, it is a journey into a living masterpiece. The Island Resort Mansion unfolds across a vast expanse surrounded entirely by shimmering turquoise waters, with every edge kissed by the ocean breeze. Its architecture is a blend of modern minimalism and tropical artistry, featuring white stone facades, open-air terraces, and panoramic glass walls revealing endless aquariums bursting with vibrant corals and exotic fish. The grand balconies spill into infinity pools, merging with the sea horizon, while gardens bloom with rare tropical flowers and sculpted palm trees. Every corner feels like a piece of paradise carved with elegance, made to inspire awe. The private cruise ship mansion glides across the open sea like a moving jewel, its exterior a fusion of sleek yacht design and opulent palace architecture. Towering glass panels curve around multi-level decks, offering uninterrupted views of the endless horizon. Inside, walls of living aquariums surround grand lounges, with rare marine life swimming gracefully in illuminated blue waters. Golden railings glisten under the sun, and an infinity-edge deck pool blends seamlessly into the ocean itself. Every detail reflects a lifestyle where motion and luxury coexist without compromise. The Island Resort Mansion's design radiates serenity. Expansive marble walkways lead to open-plan lounges where natural sunlight dances across polished stone floors. The aquariums here are not just decor, they are structural wonders, wrapping around dining rooms and hallways, so you are always surrounded by a living ocean. Furnishings are crafted from rare woods and soft fabrics, blending coastal charm with world-class sophistication. Every visual, every sound, every scent is an immersion into a tropical sanctuary designed to be timeless. The private cruise ship mansion style embraces dynamic luxury. Its vast sun decks hold private cabanas shaded with white sails, while glass elevators reveal a changing view of the sea at every level. Grand halls connect gourmet kitchens with plush lounges, each enhanced with marine-inspired details and gold accents. Aquariums tower 2 stories high, and as the ship moves, the light refracts through the water, casting shimmering patterns across marble floors. This is not just travel, it is life in perpetual motion, wrapped in elegance. The Island Resort Mansion once again reminds us that stillness can be as powerful as movement. Its outdoor lounges rest over shallow glass-bottom decks, allowing guests to watch tropical fish beneath their feet. Water features cascade through stone gardens, merging with hidden lagoons that reflect the sunset in glowing colors. Every moment here feels eternal, every space feels alive, and every detail connects you to the soul of the ocean. The private cruise ship mansion closes our journey with its unmatched grandeur. As night falls, its decks illuminate with a soft golden glow, reflecting across calm waters. The hum of the ship blends with the sound of gentle waves, while interior aquariums glow like living chandeliers. This is a world where the destination is everywhere, and the home is the voyage itself, the perfect marriage of beauty, freedom, and luxury at sea.
Endless a paradise where its architecture brilliance merges seamlessly with nature. Every wall opens into sweeping glass views of coral reefs, while the interiors carry intricate flowing, inspired by world-famous marble patterns. Capsuled columns rise around open lounges, creating a place like presence on a private island. The aquarium line entire hallways, transforming every step into a journey past tropical marine life. Light filters gently through the vast glass panels, casting reflections that shimmer across luxurious furniture and polished stone, making every detail feel alive, excites. The private cruise ship mansion stands as floating masterpiece, sculpted with sleek aerodynamic curves and crowned with expansive decks that stretch toward infinity. Its design exudes both power and elegance, combining the refinement of a place with the mobility of the ocean. Aquarium are integrated into walls and ceilings surrounding grand lounges with a living, moving ocean that travels with ship. Golden accent wrap around staircases, marble floor glisten under sunlight, and each balcony offers an interrupted canvas of horizon. This is not only a home but an expansive of the sea itself, crafted for those who desire the ultimate fusion of luxury and motion. The Iceland resort mansion extends its magic through immense outdoor spaces where infinity pools blend seamlessly into the coastline. Garden filled with exotic flower and palm trees create layer of tropical paradise, while pathway curved in fine stone lead to cozy lounges that overlook vast stretches to turquoise water. Each design detail is drawn from the world's most iconic resort yet elevated with aquarium artistry, where fish and coral bring the architecture to life. It's a home that feels eternal, radiating both calmness and grandeur in every direction. The private cruise ship mansion continues its allure inside with wide open halls where aquarium tower stories high, turning the interior into a living reef. Gourmet kitchens reflect European elegance, lined with reflective floor and soft golden lighting, while dining table extend under glass ceiling that frame the ever-changing sky. Luxury seating, carved in rare wood and upholstered in soft fabrics, invites relaxation amid an oceanic panorama. Every motion of the ship enhances interior beauty as a natural light ripples across aquarium's marble floors, blending and that's looking world's most beauty. So the Iceland contains swimming pool and more aquariums. The Iceland resort mansion reveals even greater beauty within majestic interiors, where a vast central hall blends modern design with a timeless artistry. The floor is laid in well-renowned marble patterns, each tile reflecting golden lightning from towering chandeliers above. Sofas curved elegantly around coffee table aquariums, and walls are alive with aquatic life, making the mansion feel like a living underwater paradise. Balconies extend outward, offering tranquil ocean views framed by tropical gardens, creating a sanctuary where every detail feels crafted to perfection. This is not just architecture, it's a dream shaped into stone, glass, and water. The private cruise ship mansion transforms motion to elegance, carrying the atmosphere of place across the ocean. Its grand halls are lined with aquarium that mirror the surrounding sea, making the boundaries between ship and nature nearly disappear. The main lounge follows into vast dining spaces, each illuminated by crystal chandeliers that shimmer with the ship's gentle movement. Luxurious bedrooms overlook the endless horizon, while private balconies offer an uninterrupted connection to the waves. It is a home. Its contrasted harmony with the sea, embodying both strength and grace in every space. The Iceland Resort mansions extend its splendor through multi-level terraces filled with rare plants and glowing lanterns, creating outdoor experience as stunning as the interior's infinity. Edge pools spill seamlessly into the sea, while pathways connect to pavilion designed for dining, entertainment, and leisure. Every space is wrapped in aquarium alive with vibrant marine life, reflecting the mansion's unique identity. It is the pinnacle of Iceland luxury, where artistry and nature are inseparable. The private cruise ship mansion completes its vision with entertainment halls that feel boundless, filled with designer seating and expensive aquarium walls framing exotic fish, stair shaped like animal curve upward, glistening in polished marble and golden railing, leading to vast lounge where cinema screen display animated classics such as Tom and Jerry. Every space is carefully illuminated, enhances grandeur from soft ceiling lighting to sunlight pouring through panoramic window. This ship is not only residence but a masterpiece of design, sailing the place on water, and this ship's the world most beautiful and world most attractive. So it's the it contain a lot of things. It contain the world whole things. So the Iceland mansions opens in private wings with where bedroom extend across vast switches, each designed with unmatched elegance, polished marble floor gleam under custom chandeliers, while walls open into panoramic glass views of the ocean. Aquarium stretch along the headboards, filling the rooms with the calm movement of tropical fish, transforming rest into an experience of living coffee. Coffee tables, sofas, and fine dining arrangement blend seamlessly into each space, surrounded by rare wood and gold accent. Every corner whispers exclusively crafted to the most beautiful and expensive Iceland retreat imaginable. The private cruise ship mentioned expands the brilliance with towering halls designed to rival the world's greatest resort. Interior glow with often golden light reflecting on crystal glass panel and vast aquarium where marine life collides. The kitchen separate white a culinary place lined with stainless steel, marble counter and designer lighting. Adjacent dining spaces feature long tables under skylight that open to starlit views when sailing at sea. Every motion of the ship enhances elegance, making it a true moving mansion. The Iceland Resort Mansion continues outdoor with sprawling entertainment decks surrounded by lush garden, fountain, and elegant pathway curved into polished stone. Large aquarium walls connect the indoor to the sea, creating an uninterrupted sense of immersion. Infinity pools stretch outward, their edges merging with the horizon, while pavilions for dining and relaxation line the stage. This masterpiece captures the full essence of Iceland beauty, designed for those who seek both scale and serenity. The private cruise ship mentioned concluded its grandeur with wide open lounges where aquarium tower to sailing, filling the ship with movement and light. Stair-shaped exotic animal wine upward to balcony level where luxury seat and coffee table overlook endless water entertainment spaces glow. Large screen playing Tom and Jerry, creating a blend of the elegance within this futuristic place. Everyone feels like design, not just impressed but the redefined. What a luxury residence. Now I want from you, never forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and must click bell icon button. Okay, thank you, God bless you.